Okay, there is a game. Animals Crossing Fountain. This is Bear. He's crossing the fountain, and there is first hurdle of his in on his way. And let's see what he did. Okay, that's good. He has crossed his first hurdle, and he is coming to his next hurdle. Oh, wow. Let's see what happened. Wow, that's good. He has crossed his second hurdle. Okay, let's see what happened when he will crossed. Oh yes, good. He has crossed his third hurdle and then he go to into the bubble because he is the winner. And now this is cow. Cow is going on his way and there is his first hurdle. Let's see. Wow, that's good. It's amazing. Cow. He has crossed his first hurdle and now it is coming to its second hurdle. Wow, he has also crossed. She has also crossed its um, second and third hurdle, and now she has come to bubble. And now here is elephant. Do you know? Yes, elephant is coming to his first hurdle, and what will happen? Wow, that's good. Elephant has crossed its first hurdle and now he is coming to its second hurdle. Oh wow, that's good. And the third hurdle is coming. Oh wow, good. He has crossed it and now he will be disappear in two bubble. This is lion. Do you know? Yes. This is the king of the forest. Now it's turn and he is the last animal. He has crossed his first hurdle. Oh wow, that's good, you know. He has so much speed and now he is coming to its second hurdle. Okay, he has crossed its second hurdle. Now he is coming to its third hurdle. Oh good. He has crossed it also and now he will be also disappear into a bubble. This is the game.